It's been some beautiful weather for the CWS this year, but it isn't always like that. We're going to send things now to 3 News Now meteorologist Joseph Meyer for a look at this week in weather history.
When you put the baseball tournament in the peak of severe weather season here in Omaha, you're bound to get some storms to move on through. Like what happened June 20th, 2011. This picture here of a giant shelf cloud moving over back then the TD Ameritrade Center. That passed on through, but it was a much larger event than just Omaha. It was actually a full-blown tornado outbreak that occurred over parts of central Nebraska. A bunch of tornadoes happening west of Omaha here. Let's highlight here a couple of large tornadoes west of Kearney, one impacting the town of Elm Creek. This picture was taken from that EF3 tornado that moved through the areas west of Kearney. A little closer in our viewing area, an EF2 tornado touched down west of York, moving just to the west of Bradshaw. That storm continued off to the north and west. Here's a picture of that storm here too. Very good video you can find on our website, the blog post here of the very close range of this tornado over in York County. Strongest tornado of the day happened just north of that one in Polk County. It blends into the terrain here a little bit, but it touches down east of Polk. Moves off to the north and east, west of Stromsburg, west of Osceola. Here's that picture here, largest of the 3 tornadoes as this crossed one of the roads here west of Osceola here. The storm doing damage here to a farm. Nobody was injured or nobody was killed in these tornadoes. They formed into a line of storms as they pushed in here towards the metro, what we call a bow echo. Notice the almost backward C shape here in that line as it pushed through, bringing winds up to 70 to 75 miles an hour in the metro. Sirens were sounded. A lot of scenes of people leaving the stadium here as those sirens sounded with the winds. Storm did produce a couple of weak tornadoes to the north. We actually had an EF1 tornado go through Fremont, the eastern sides of Fremont. Another EF1 tornado touching down in Washington County, north of Kennard, west of Blair. You can even see that little hook echo right there where that tornado touched down west of Blair. Some minor damage to some homes was done in western Washington County with this storm as the winds pushed on through. Again, you can find this on our website at 3newsnow.com. Go to weather history. You can find the blog post up by tomorrow morning.